Alright, Gabriella. So when you're on the road, what the wickedest line you ever hear from a man? A man I look you. You know, you walk past a man or a man I look you in general. The wickedest way a man ever look here, the wickedest line you ever hear.
Oh, but that they will take care of you and can get everything you want. Especially them in a top car. And if me as a person, I'm not the type. The car them not fascinate me.
Yeah.
So if it's a BMW, any sports car, anything, no.
Yeah, man.
As long as if you have a big man and you could have been my father, that makes it 10 times worse.
Yeah.
So most of them tell about and them love to use this word, I love you.
Yeah. Just meet you, just see and I tell you say them love you.
Yes.
But it seems like big man love you though, like whoop a big man I look you.
A lot. Every day we go for the road.
Yo.
And it gets annoying at times because most times if you not answer them, they may come to you.
Yeah, man.
Especially if they not carry them over.
So I'll walk you down or drive you down them system.
Yeah.
Alright, so in Jamaica, what I call it as, you know Jamaicans we have name for everybody. Yeah. So you get flip a lot. Slim as, slim thing. Yo. Let's see, what else we can talk about now? So in terms of relationship, right? You don't have to call nobody name, but what ended your last relationship? What caused it for end? Remember, we're not calling nobody name. Just talk about the scenario.
Well, not getting enough attention.
Yeah.
Always busy and bad communication skills.
Alright, so when you say not getting enough attention, you mean like you wanted to see the person every day?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them.
Or 2 times.
At least 2 times a week. Well, yeah. I would say 2 times a week. You know, that should be the least for reality in a relationship with somebody. And you say so even on the phone, them with a text back or them not like text?
It's like, depends on what they're doing.
Yeah.
Most time it take like 5 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes.
Right.
Especially if them online and you send a message and then when you send a message to them, you come offline. And then pretending not see it. But there's always notification coming up, so you must see the message. Especially if you know that the person is on their phone 24/7.
Right.
Yes. And them are the most one.
But all of a sudden when you try to get them not up on them phone.
Them have time for other people.
Oh God. So who ended the relationship? You or him?
Me, actually.
So it did end normal or there drama?
It end normal.
Yeah.
No fuss, no fight. Just separate. Like normal human beings. So.
Okay. But you don't say you did love the person?
Very much.
Okay. You don't say it was your first love? Wow. So that one was hard then. This was recent or a little while ago?
Last year, I'd say sometime August.
Okay, so you're gone a year and a half.
Yeah.
Single and
yeah.
And what's the difference now? You choose to be single because I know if a man I look you. You know, I know if a man I look you. So you choose to be single now?
Right now I'm talking to someone actually.
Okay.
So yeah, I wanted to stay single, you know, but I said let me give love another chance. Give it another chance.
Yeah,
and see how it works out for me. But I'm not gonna put out my all unless the person is doing the same. So unless I want it to be 50-50. And it's not like me I give the 100 and you give 50. No, that won't work for me.
Right.
So yes.
So you give it another chance, but you have 1 foot in, 1 foot out basically. Then
Yeah.
you're not going 100 this time, get your
Yeah.
heart broken again.
Well, I make sure that the person love me more than them.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because all my life I am the person that put in my all into
Yeah.
a relationship and not receiving back the same energy. So
What month you born?
October,
You're a Libra.
Scorpio.
Scorpio, right? That's stinger. Scorpion woman a stinger, you know, trust me. Like my baby mother a Scorpion, man. I tell you, that stinger, man. I see him on the move shy like on a can't put
Let's
in
believe
a
we
sting.
we can do more than I wanna think.
And already on a sting, man. It looks are deceiving.
Right.
See, I want Scorpio. But they're very loving at the same time. I tell you, Scorpion women are very, very loving, as you said.
And helpful.
Yeah, man. Very helpful. What a trait you say Scorpions come with?
What do you mean?
Like being a Scorpion woman, what's the good and the bad?
The good thing is that we are very loving, we are very supportive,
Yeah.
and very caring, and we overly love people. Yeah, people who we care about and so
Yeah.
forth. For the bad thing now, we're very deceitful, some of us. So, and
Yeah.
anything you do, we can do it back, or we do it 10 times worse.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I love revenge.
Not, some of us, not all.
Yeah.
Sometimes, we're very forgiving too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. You know anything about the other sign them, the zodiac them? Say that say you know anything about Capricorns, like Capricorn men?
Some of them I don't know the birth month that them fall under. So,
Right.
yeah. As for a September person,
Yeah.
guy, manipulating. Not loyal.
Alright.
Would you say all? Maybe
Yeah.
someone.
Yeah, every sign of good and bad, you know?
Yeah.
You know, every sign of good and bad.
January, then we tell you one thing and do the other. What other birth? August, we're very evil. Very. I would never date an August guy ever
Yeah.
again.
Like a
Never.
beer bad things here about the August man them. Rough man on the August man, trust me. Well, my Capricorn still.
Month that fall under.
December. So we end the year. At the end of December, we're at the start of January. So we end the year and we begin the year.
Funny thing is that December person I'm talking to.
Yeah.
They're quite nice.
Yeah, man, we're good people, man.
Yeah.
Well, I can't talk for myself as a